let's call this BST class and node class, and let's create some binary search tree here. So simply in order to run this program, I have main. So in the main, what I will try to do is I'll create the object for this binary search tree. So BST is BST. So then what I'll try to do, yeah. So then I'll try to add, so insert 5. So then again, I will try to insert 3. So then I will try to insert 7. So until now, if we see initial case, so our BST will be only 5 with the left and right pointing to none. So now once 3 has been inserted, our BST will become 5, um, and we have 3 here and none here. So this is the BST that we'll have after this. So then with insertion of 7, we have 5, and left we have 3 and we have 7. So this is the pretty much representation of BST after insertion of 7. So now I will try to insert 6. So after inserting 6, and I just want to insert 2 more elements here, insert 4 and BST dot insert 11. So now that is pretty much the insertion. So then I would like to have the traversal. So as we are returning self.array, so just I'll print out the array here. So bst dot traverse. So as I'm just calling traverse, then the function will be in order traversal here. So let's run this and see what happens. So we can pretty much see this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 11. So this is the in order traversal. And we had seen that in order traversal will actually result in the left child data and the right child. So if we see the 5 is being the root here, and 3, 4 which are less than 5 will be the left side of the 5, and greater than 5, 6, 7, 11 will be the right side of the 5. So let's do one more traversal on BST using pre-order. So simply I'll say function is equal to pre-order. So let's see what happens. So I got 5, 3, 4, 7, 6, 11. So if we see in the pre-order traversal, the data will be printed first. So the root is 5, then the left child and the right child is traversed. So 3, 4 being the left of the 5, it got traversed, and then 7, 6, 11, which is the right child of 5, it got traversed. So last but not the least, we have post order. So bst dot traverse and function, I'll just say post order. So that's it, guys. We have pre-order, post order, and in order. So if we see in the post order, first the left child. So if you see 4, 3, this is the left part of the root that we have, and 6, 11, 7 is the right part, and then we have 5. So this is with respect to the insertion and traverse. So in the next video, we'll see how to remove an element in the BST. Thank you.